Okay, the number one product that we are going to talk about is a Rene Cosmetics Pro Pearl Primer. It retails for 469 rupees and it contains 30 ml of product. I got it in the shade gold, but it comes in two other shades also. One is more on the pinkier side, second one is in silver tone. So they claim that it is going to even out the skin with shimmery finish. I would say yes, it does have a little bit of glowy finish. It does blur out pore, but not fine lines and wrinkles. Smoothens out the skin texture also, and it doesn't look sticky. Next we have Love Child Masaba Lights Camera Foundation. It retails for 1300 rupees. I'm sorry, but this is too expensive. And then it is also something that you can easily get in market. I think that the shade range is not that inclusive. I mean, we have already seen, right, how many shades other Indian brands are launching, and at this point it's disappointing. New beauty blender, which is from the brand Beautylist. Let's talk about the quantity. The quantity that you are getting is 30 grams, and you will get around like 20 to 25% off on this brand in general on Nykaa. You can. So I got this for 975 rupees. The shade that I have purchased is Mocha Debut. Okay. They claim it to be a matte finish. I would say it's demi matte. It's sulfate free and the formula is quite liquidy. I wouldn't say it's a full coverage foundation in my opinion, because I don't like to build my foundation way too much. Just one layer if it is full coverage, great. If not, I'll build it a little bit, but I'm not going for third layer. Okay, so in my opinion, it was not full coverage. My blemishes were still showing up. My pimple marks were still showing up. Okay, 4K mattifying foundation. I don't think it is great under photography. At least the studio light, I didn't like it. Stretch, transfer, and humidity resistant. I 100% disagree with this claim. Let's talk about concealer that I got from Love Child Masaba. The shade that I got is Caramel Glam, and it retails for 800 rupees, but I got it for 600. It has 5 grams of product. The total shade, if you go online, right, this is what I mean. In foundation, you're launching 18 shades, but when it comes to concealers, right, brands will not experiment, and this is what they have also done. They have just launched 9 shades. At least that's what I can see on Nykaa. They claim it to be like super blendable and buildable coverage. I like that it is super blendable. It has a liquidy consistency. It's not moussey. It does give you a natural finish. And extra creamy formula and pillow like texture. Yes, it's quite lightweight. It's oil free, mineral oil free, talc free, blendable, worn for easy application. Yes, agree with all of those things, but I don't think this is a long wear formula for people who have intense dark circles. If you have very light dark circles and you want a very natural coverage, yes, this will look great on you. And this is also quite hydrating, so you will not feel dry under your eyes. It will not look patchy or cakey. I got another concealer from Pro Art, which was known as Bare Rich Concealer in the shade Honey. Now this concealer is for 575 rupees. I got it for 374 rupees. It contains 4.5 ml of product, and this one has 10 shades, still better than Masaba's brand Love Child by Masaba. But again, this is also not a great shade range. Okay, like ऐसा नहीं कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा colors हैं, and I think इसमें भी inconsistency बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, this is a liquid formula, but I would say it's a little more creamier than the Masaba's concealer. This is also vegan, cruelty free. It's full coverage. Now, if I compare it with Masaba's concealer, this has more coverage as compared to the previous one. This is a medium to full coverage concealer. Creaseless, I would not say, because after 4-5 hours, this is going to crease. It is quite water resistant and transfer proof. It's also long lasting. And it's not lightweight. Like if I compare it with Masaba's concealer feels like light as air, but this one feels like, okay, you have something under your eyes. And this is also easy to use. So all those good things. The country origin is India. I would not recommend this concealer to dry skin type. If you have dry under eye area, you will have to either use like a thick moisturizer, otherwise you will feel heavy. I got this eyeshadow palette known as a Moira Celestial Series palette. Series that I have purchased is Endless Moonlight, 2450 rupees. Oh my god, it's the biggest regret of my life. I have wasted my money, and how it has 18 grams of product. This eyeshadow palette, I'm just letting you know, this is cruelty free, paraben free, and sulfate free. But that is a good part about this product. Apart from this is not highly pigmented. This doesn't have lustrous shimmers with buttery formula, not at all. It is originated in China, but it has a pathetic quality. Yes, it does have 15 shades. And some of them are pigmented, some of them are not, but they are difficult to blend. Okay, that's my only problem, and it's not long lasting. No, just no to this palette. Alright, let's talk about Staze 9 to 9 Bright Poreless Oil Control Compact Powder. Alright, this I got it in the shade, I believe, beige. I did not like this product. For some reason, it did not do it for me. I was expecting it to mattify wherever I get oily during the rainy season, right? It becomes so humid that you need compact powder constantly. In this case, I think the price and everything is justified. The price is 299 rupees and I got it for 266. I got the shade Honey, and to be honest, I'm not going to recommend this product to a lot of people. It's just have 6 shades. Number one, it has 9 grams of product, that is fine. It has matte finish, yes, but does not stay long. It's pressed powder, full coverage, disagree with full coverage part, dermatologically tested, vegan, cruelty free, all those good things. But when you see the performance of this product, it's not that impressive. Okay, so yeah, just read more about it. I have extremely oily skin type. This can be good for like normal skin type people. Up next, we have a blush from L18, two timing lip and cheek tint in the shade Candy Floss. Listen, this is quite affordable, so I don't want to complain a lot. Like एक 150 रुपए की चीज़ में आप कितना complain कर सकते हो. It has 4 ml of product and it comes in only 2 shades. Okay, एक थोड़ा पिंक है, एक ऑरेंज है, तो वो आप अपने हिसाब से देख लेना आपको कौन सा लेना है. बट इट इज़ क्वाइट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. ओके, इट डजंट हैव लाइक द मोस्ट मॉइस्चराइजिंग फॉर्मूला, and I did not like it as a cheek tint because it was blending very, like it was not letting me blend the formula because it was settling too fast. Okay, that was my only complaint. But apart from that, great product. I'm going to continuously reach out to this product and keep on using it. Next is Daily Life Forever 52 Flourish Cream Contour in the shade FCC 001. This retails for 749 rupees, but I got it for 674. My problem with this product is only the packaging. It's just the roll thing that they have, twist and roll formula, right? Wherein you have to twist the tube. It's very confusing hai, and the extra product, पहली बार इस्तेमाल करने के बाद भी, there'll be always a little bit of extra product sitting at the tip of that wand. That's the annoying part. Okay, it's like Maybelline Age Divine Concealer, if you know what I mean. Okay, this contains 16 ml of product. If you want very natural looking kind of contour that blends very easily, this is the one that you will like. Okay, it has a liquidy formula, and it's dermatologically tested, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, all those good things. It's creamy texture. Now, I don't think it's a creamy texture. It's quite liquidy, and I believe they have launched it only in 2 shades. If they launch 4-5 more, I think it'll get more inclusive for people. But it's quite portable and convenient, and I believe that some of the Daily Forever products are quite good, but most of them, for me, actually, the base products haven't worked at all. This is a product which is working for me, and it's quite surprising. Okay, the country of origin for this one is China, so just letting you guys know. All right, let's talk about the highlighter. The first highlighter that I got is Lotus Makeup Eco Stay High on Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Flare. The price of this product is 599, but I got it for 419 rupees. You get 7 ml of product and 3 shades. Okay, so based on your undertone, you can pick. Lotus has quite good offline availability, so you can check it out in the stores also. Let's talk about the claims of Effortless Radiant. Now, yes, you can say it's easy, dewy glow, lightweight formula. Yes, it is lightweight. It is enriched with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and all of that. But this is also 100% vegan and cruelty free brand. It's free from mineral oils, parabens, ensuring skin friendly cosmetics and all of that. Okay, country of origin is India, but I did not like this. I don't think it's a great product. It's an average product. Okay, if you are not getting anything under 599, then you can buy this. But I believe nowadays there are good options in market, so check those out also. I have another option which is from Just Herbs. This is their Lumi Glow highlighter. Okay, it comes in 3 shades. One is the stars, the sun, and the moon. I got the moon. You get 3.5 grams of product. This is quite affordable. I got it for 276 rupees, but the MRP is 425. Okay, so this is a pressed powder formula. It's cruelty free, vegan. It's a typical powder highlighter, but you can make it look quite natural looking by using a wet beauty blender. Okay, if that's the goal. Okay, it's lightweight and it's easy to apply. It's quite buildable, so you can make it extremely shiny also if that's what you enjoy. It stays put for 18 hours. I disagree. It's quite long lasting, but 18 hours as it is, it won't. Okay, it has shea butter, and yeah, those are all the good things. This is also, the country of origin here also is India, so those are some of the good things I want to highlight about the brand. Let's talk about eyebrow pencil, which I hated. This is from Rennie Cosmetics. This is their super dense eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. It retails for 450 rupees and you get 0.4 grams of product. It comes in 2 shades. This was like too brown for me. I did not like it. It's a matte in finish, and they say that it's a super dense formula with precise application. I did not get that precise application. Ideal for defining brows and eyebrows. Well, that's debatable. Rich black pigment for intense color payoff. That's the problem. It's too pigmented for me. And this is also, made in India. So that's something good about the brand. Let's talk about mascara and eyeliner. Those are the 2 good things that I love to test. Like there are so many options available in market. The one that I purchased is from the brand. This is relatively a new brand. And I think it has Glam 21. I don't know if you guys have heard about it or not. So it's their extreme black eyeliner smudge proof matte formula black. This retails for 199 rupees. I got it for 179. And it has 4 ml of product. Okay. Now it is supposed to be matte. It did not look completely matte. It's a liquid formula, great. It's cruelty free, full coverage. All right, single stroke application, agree. Matte formula, I disagree. 2x longer stay, no, it's not long lasting. It was looking stretchy. My skin was feeling a little stretchy after applying it. So I have very not so great thoughts about this product. Okay. Next product that I got is a lip liner. It's in the shade C702, character shape of you liner. Okay, it retails for 199, but I got it for 169 rupees. You get 1.13 grams of product. It's a nice pink brownie color. It's in pen formula, and preference is anti-inflammatory. It's not pigmented at all. Okay, precision application you'll get when the product is pigmented, but this is not pigmented at all. And it's long-lasting formula. I mean, if you're not getting pigment, how will you check the long-lasting thing? Right? Versatile shades. Yes, agree. Shades are great. Colors are great. Creamy texture and buildable coverage. It's not creamy. It is buildable slightly. The country of origin of this product is also China. Okay, then the last product is Jam Beauty. It is their Magnificent liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Truffle. Okay. It's in the price range. The price of this product is 649, but I paid 584 rupees. You get 5 ml of product. The shade range for this one is very limiting. I just have 6 shades. I wish they launch more, depending on Indian skin tone. But the finish is matte. It settles into a matte lipstick quickly. And they claim that, it has ultra pigment, which I agree with. 12-hour weightless endurance, that I disagree with. Okay, it guarantees 12 hours weightless endurance and velvety matte perfection. As I said, I don't agree with that. It is nourishing. No, you will have to hydrate your lips. You will have to scrub them, hydrate them, remove the lip balm, let it be as it is for 15 minutes, and then apply this lipstick. So it has some hydrating ingredients, which is why they're saying that it's nourishing also. It provides a velvety matte finish. I would say it provides a proper matte finish, and the applicator enables precise application. Yes, minimal touch-ups. Yes, in a day, if you typically apply liquid lipstick for like 8 to 10 hours, you will just need one touch-up. It's PETA certified and it's long-lasting. It's waterproof. I agree. It's transfer-proof. I agree. It is free from parabens, SLS, SLES, caramine, PEGs, ethanolamine compounds, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. And it is the country of origin is India only. So yeah, those are all the good things. The formula is quite creamy. It's not too thin. Okay, the bond is great. It's easy to apply also. It settles and becomes completely matte and transfer-proof within like 10 to 20 seconds only. So that's the best part about this lipstick. Okay, next product that I'm going to talk about, this was like a new launch from MAC. It's the Twist and Lift mascara. It retails for 895 rupees. It has 4-5 modes. Okay, depending on what you want from your mascara, you can choose that mode. So twist 1 is there, twist 2, twist 3, twist 4. Based on the mode that you are selecting, the wand shape is going to change. Okay, so I tried the extreme ones first, the 4th and 5th categories, and I did not like it. My lashes were looking clumpy. Okay, it coats lashes evenly, yes. Amps up the formula volume, yes. Intensely pigmented, yes. Provides long lasting effect, no. It is not long lasting. It's not water resistant. Okay, I don't know if the formula is like that. We'll let you know. Then it lifts curls and define lashes. I could not see that effect with the 3 modes that I have seen. Non-clumping, they are saying, no, it will clump. I have very limited lashes on my eyes, so maybe it's just me, but it was clumping for my lashes. It's not smudge proof. It's not fade proof also. Okay, because I watched the series, I cried. Country of origin on Nykaa, they have written. It's been almost 4 hours that I have applied this makeup, the primer. Is it doing something? I don't know, but I'm liking this foundation a lot. I have to see this with other primers just to decide whether it's the primer or the foundation, but to my surprise this foundation is looking quite good. Okay, कंसीलर, मुझे दोनों कंसीलर्स में अगर बोला जाए कि कौन सा ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, अभी आपको कैमरा पे ना लाइट की वजह से, क्योंकि अब रात हो चुकी है गाइस, 9 बजे मैं सनलाइट कहाँ से लाऊं कि आप नेचुरल लाइट में मेरा मेकअप देख सको, बट आई कैन सी बोथ ऑफ देम अप क्लोज and both of them are decent. If I had to choose, I would pick Pro Arte one, Pro Art or Pro Arte, because ये वाली साइड जो है ना ज़्यादा कवरेज दे रही है, ये वाली थोड़ी ज़्यादा फेड हो गई है। आपको बहुत डेली वेयर के लिए चाहिए, बहुत कम कवरेज चाहिए, आपके ना के बराबर डार्क सर्कल्स हैं, देन आई वुड से गो फॉर लव चाइल्ड. And if you are somebody who has intense dark circles like me, then Pro Arte वाला ठीक लग रहा है. थोड़ा सा मैं ये कहूँगी कि 4-5 घंटे क्योंकि हो गए हैं, तो हल्का सा ये कलेक्ट हो रहा है, हल्का सा, बट बहुत मेजर नहीं हो रहा, which is fine. Okay, let me give you a closer view. See, this is how both the concealers are looking like. बहुत मेजर डिफरेंस नहीं है दोनों में, लेकिन इसकी कवरेज ज़्यादा गई है, इसकी कम गई है. Okay, this is done. Then comes the कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर मुझे ओके लगा, मुझे नहीं लगा इसने कोई शाइन कंट्रोल किया है, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पर हाइलाइटर नहीं लगाया था. इफ़ यू गाइस कैन सी, मेरी गाय राम रही है, यहाँ पर मैंने कोई हाइलाइटर नहीं लगाया था, यहाँ पर नहीं लगाया था, बट स्टिल इट शोज इट्स शाइनी. ओके, मेरी गाय के लिए अभी आती हूँ. कम्स ब्लश. लिसन, because this is a tint, it's still there. I can still see the hint of the pink color, which is great. I like this blush. I would have to say कि बहुत जल्दी blend करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो ये एक जगह पे अटक जाता है, फिर ब्लेंड नहीं होता. सो यू हैव टू बी रियली फास्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ब्लेंडिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट. ओके, contour, I like this contour. I didn't have to do too much work when it comes to the blending side of things, but I definitely think that this is great for daily wear and very minimalistic kind of contour. अगर आपको बहुत harsh, बहुत ऐसा structured contour करना है for photo shoots and photography, I would not recommend this. Okay, जहाँ तक बात रही हाइलाइटर की, तो मुझे दोनों हाइलाइटर ही ओके टाइप लग रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो लोटस वाला हाइलाइटर है जो मैंने यहाँ लगाया था, उसमें हल्के, बहुत हल्के चंकी ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स हैं. ऑलमोस्ट मतलब बहुत पास आने पे ही दिखेंगे, तो बहुत चंकी नहीं है. और इधर वाला जो है वो एक टिपिकल पाउडर हाइलाइटर की तरह है, जो कि बिल्डेबल है. तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा सरप्राइजिंग नहीं लग रहा, ओ वाओ ऐसे वाली फीलिंग नहीं आ रही. बट ऐसा भी नहीं लग रहा अच्छी यार ये क्या ले लिया, मेरे को रिग्रेट लिस्ट में डालना पड़ेगा. एंड आई कैन नॉट इवन recommend this to my friends or subscribers, and it's a waste of money. ऐसी वाली फीलिंग भी नहीं, मतलब ओके टाइप का प्रोडक्ट है, कोई ऐसा आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड नहीं है. I did not like this eyebrow pencil from Rene Cosmetics. I think it's just, इसका जो structure बना हुआ है, it's too wide at the tip, because of which I could not shape my brows properly. And generally I do like these kind of brow pencils. मुझे बहुत एकदम पेंसिल की तरह जो होती है ना, वैसी टाइप वाली पेंसिल्स नहीं पसंद आईब्रोज के लिए, क्योंकि मेरा if you see, I don't have that much hair growth on my eyebrows, so it becomes an issue. I have to build and create the brows. In this case I did not like it. Okay, eyeshadow, वैसे I should tell you this eyeshadow palette is made in China. मैंने बाद में जब इसका कवर पढ़ा, एंड मुझे ना इसको लेकर मतलब ऐसे फीलिंग आ रही है कि काफ़ी पैसे बर्बाद कर रही हूँ मैं अपने, मतलब कुछ खास नहीं लगा मुझे. मैं ट्राई करके देखूँगी और कलर्स भी, बट लेट मी गिव यू अ क्लोजर व्यू सो दैट यू गाइज कैन ऑल्सो सी. आई डोंट नो कि कैमरे में कितना आएगा, बट ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस कि बहुत क्रस्टी हो रहे हैं इसके कलर्स. मतलब ये लुक आप स्विस ब्यूटी के 200 रुपये पैलेट से भी कर सकते हो, आपको इतना महंगा पैलेट लेने की क्या ज़रूरत है. आई डो नॉट लाइक दिस आई लाइनर बिकॉज ब्लीड कर रहा है. आईलाइनर की टिप जो होती है ना, फेल टिप लाइनर्स या इस तरह के ब्रश टिप लाइनर्स जो होते हैं, तो लगाओ तो मेहनत ना करनी पड़े. इन दिस केस आई फेल्ट दैट इट्स ब्लीडिंग, और थोड़ा सा बीच में क्रैक्स आ रहे हैं, और हल्का सा ना ऐसा लग रहा है स्किन खिंच रही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज़ मस्कारा. आई हैव वेरी मिक्सड फीलिंग्स अबाउट दिस मस्कारा. इसमें 3-4 लेवल्स हैं, तो मैंने 2 लेवल्स ट्राई करके देखे. उसमें मेरी जो लैशेज़ हैं वो आपस में चिपक रही हैं, तो मैं बाकी 2 लेवल्स भी ट्राई करके देखूँगी. बट हाँ, वाटर प्रूफ है. आई लाइनर जो है वो वाटर प्रूफ नहीं है, वाटर क्या बोलते हैं, रेजिस्टेंट भी नहीं है. ओके, एज फार एज लिपस्टिक इज़ कंसर्न, मुझे लिप लाइनर बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आया. आई थिंक इट्स टू डिफ़िकल्ट टू ड्रॉ, बट लिपस्टिक यू कैन सी इट्स स्टिल देयर. आई ऑलरेडी हैड 2 मील्स इन बिटवीन. एक मैंने नींबू पानी पिया था, उसके बाद मैंने छोले चावल खाए थे. तो 20 से जो लिपस्टिक है टिपिकल लिक्विड लिपस्टिक की तरह, ये इधर सेंटर से चली गई है और साइड पे बैठी हुई है, तो वो चीज़ आपको ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी. बट और भी लिपस्टिक्स मंगाई हैं मैंने, मैं उसका रिव्यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ज़रूर दूंगी. इट्स बीन ऑलमोस्ट 8 hours दैट आई हैव अप्लाइड दिस मेकअप, सो लेट्स जस्ट गेट स्टार्टेड right from the beginning, which is primer. And I can see that my skin is looking quite oily. I was watching a series named as Good Luck, so I got little emotional watching that. तो मेरा लाइनर थोड़ा फैल गया है, please don't mind that. But as far as primer is concerned, I'm giving you guys a closer look. It's an okayish primer. I don't think कि कुछ difference मुझे इतना दिख रहा है. ठीक है, फाउंडेशन हैज़ रियली सरप्राइज्ड मी. काफ़ी टिक गया है फाउंडेशन. ओके, क्वाइट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, एंड इट डिड नॉट कलेक्ट ओवर हेयर. जनरली विद ऑयली स्किन टाइप्स आई हैव सीन ऑन माई फेस फाउंडेशन इधर कलेक्ट हो जाते हैं, सो दैट डिडंट हैपन. एज फार एज कंसीलर इज कंसर्न, नथिंग चेंज्ड. ओनली दिस mascara has smudged under my eyes, so please don't mind that. But concealer is also like more or less same. quite long lasting, I would say, for a concealer. Both of these concealers are staying quite long. If you can see my under eyes, you have seen me without makeup and with makeup, so I would say quite decent. Compact powder I didn't like much. Blush okay. As far as highlighters are concerned, okay-ish quality, nothing really wow about them. And eyebrow pencil I didn't like it. Eyeshadow, as I said, too expensive for the kind of look that I'm getting. I didn't like the eyeliner because it was bleeding. The mascara is not smudge proof, so if you cry, you will have to set your makeup again. Okay. Lipstick. I should tell you guys that I had 3 meals proper with this lipstick, and I didn't like the lip liner. I know कि हट गई है, but still it can survive 3 to 4 hours, so that is more than enough for me. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.